GoPro just dropped a new 360 camera, and surprisingly, they didn't even make a big deal about it. The GoPro Max 360 is officially here, but if you were expecting a major upgrade, you might want to lower those expectations. This new release is essentially a refreshed version of the 2019 GoPro Max. It still shoots in 5.6K resolution and maintains the same dual-lens setup, but with a few small yet useful tweaks. One of the most noticeable changes is in the mounting options. GoPro has finally introduced standard quarter 20 mounts, making it more versatile for different setups. However, the classic GoPro folding fingers mount is still there. Another key upgrade is the new Enduro battery, which has a 1,600 mAh capacity and performs significantly better in extreme cold, holding up even at temperatures as low as -1 degree Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit. But perhaps the most surprising change is the price. While the core specs remain unchanged, the GoPro Max 360 still brings some solid features for action shooters and content creators. It retains its dual-lens system for full 360 degrees coverage, allowing users to capture immersive footage from every angle. For those who don't need the full 360 experience, it also offers a single-lens mode that shoots in 1440p, giving users more flexibility in how they record. Additionally, the camera includes multiple digital lens options, including narrow, linear, wide, and max superview, ensuring a range of perspectives for different shooting styles. Durability has always been a GoPro strength, and this model is no exception. It's built to be rugged and waterproof up to 16 feet, making it a reliable option for outdoor adventures, extreme sports, and unpredictable weather conditions. However, despite these refinements, there's one area where the GoPro Max 360 is starting to show its age: its 5.6K resolution. In 2025, that's rough, especially considering the competition. The Insta360 X4, which launched last year, already boasts 8K resolution, offering noticeably sharper footage. Of course, it comes at a higher price of $500, but that extra resolution can make a significant difference for creators who demand the best image quality. Despite the lack of a resolution upgrade, GoPro has introduced some quality-of-life improvements that make the Max 360 more convenient to use. One of the biggest changes is the addition of standard quarter 20 mounts, a long-requested feature. While GoPro's signature folding fingers mount is still present, users now have more flexibility when attaching the camera to different rigs and accessories. The new Enduro battery is another important upgrade. With a 1,600 mAh capacity, it lasts longer and performs better in extreme conditions, a crucial factor for action shooters. Unlike the previous battery, which struggled in cold temperatures, this new version is designed to function even at -1 degree Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a solid choice for winter sports, high-altitude adventures, or any challenging environment where battery life tends to suffer. On the software side, GoPro has made some useful updates to its Quick app. It now includes AI-based object tracking, allowing users to keep subjects in frame with minimal effort. Keyframing and automatic transitions have also been added, making it easier to create dynamic edits on the go. There's even a new camera effects mode for quick, creative enhancements. For those who prefer desktop editing, GoPro has introduced a new reframe plugin for Premiere Pro and After Effects, streamlining the process of editing 360 degrees footage. Additionally, GoPro Premium and Premium Plus subscribers now get unlimited cloud storage and can even edit 360 videos directly from the cloud, a convenient feature for creators managing large files.